That always hurts when we die. Ow. You guys good?
I'm sorry. What just happened?
Well, I got shot right here.
Yeah, I noticed. You all died.
Yeah, but it's okay. Here. But it's okay. Just give us a couple minutes, we'll stretch it off, we'll grab a burger, we'll be back.
So, you all have extra lives?
Yeah,
then?
we get to respawn.
Oh, okay, cool. How many lives do I have?
1.
See,
What? What do you mean 1?
I wasn't gonna tell her.
You have 1 life.
That's not fair.
Look, we're not programmers. I'm a rapper, she's a fighter. We couldn't program it, said lives. We said 1 because we thought that means you're alive. I don't know binary.
I could have died?
But you didn't.
Is this like Sword Art Online where if you die in the game, you die in real life?
I don't think you want to test that. I don't know.
Do you want to test it?
I don't have a real life. That just got way too real. I'm gonna go sit down.
He's sweating, so like there's like water right here, and for a second it really looked like it was crying, and I'm like, dang it.
Yes, it's sweat. But yeah, so no, we'll be fine, but as for you, you're the greatest of insert game here. So you should be fine, noob.
First of all, it's noobity doo. Second of all, ugh, this isn't okay. I have 1 life and you all died. What if somebody hit me?
But they didn't, because you dodged and weaved. You were like, ah.
Wow, okay, fine. Take me to the Mega Boss.
Well, you're not quite ready for the Mega Boss.
Do you want to test that?
We can't get to the Mega Boss yet. How are we going to test it? So, all right, so we know you can fight. We know you can shoot. But can you dance and shoot at the same time?
Did I not just do that?
I didn't see it. Did you guys see her dance and shoot at the same time? They say no. Did you guys see her dance and shoot?
No.
That's like a lot of people that said that they didn't see it. So.
I mean,
Oh boy.
Go follow me on Twitch for the most average Fortnite playing in the